Are you looking for the best telescope lens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best telescope lens that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Zenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, Macro Lens. This is a versatile telescope lens compatible with phones that either have a dual or single camera lens. Another winner feature is that you can equip it with either Android or iPhones. This telescope lens is designed to broaden your captures by adding up to 45% broader and even clearer images. It has seamless edges that ensure you get the best clear shots. So, you can enjoy your moments both indoors and outdoors. If you are the type of person who enjoys taking pictures at a closer shot, well, you need this telescope lens, and you will be good to go. The lens features the Claris 15x macro lens that has marvels so you can magnify far objects for the perfect up-close image-taking experience. At number 4. Submitin Monocular Telescope 12x42 Powerful Monocular. You no longer need to strain your eyes when capturing videos or even watching outdoor games or animals. This telescope lens comes with a smartphone adapter, so you can clip it to your smartphone to use with it. This telescope lens has a magnifying power of x12, plus it can give an accurate view of a distance of 1,000 yards. So, this is a reliable telescope for hunting. This telescope's lens is made of BAK4 Prism FMC green design to allow more brightness for accurate and great viewing. Note that you can use this gadget as a monocular too. At number 3. TIGERSHOW Monocular Telescope 12x50 High Power HD Monocular. This HD telescope lens comes with a phone holder, so you need to clip your phone to the holder and begin to use it. It is a multifunctional gadget you can use as a telescope or a monocular. You can tag this telescope when going hunting, fishing, hiking, or camping, as it makes your outdoor adventures worthwhile. If you enjoy outdoor photography with your phone, rest assured this telescope lens will help you capture the perfect pictures. It also has HD viewing and allows 99.5 sunlight rays so that you can get the right brightness level for clearer images and videos. At number 2. Cell Phone Camera Lens 20x Zoom Telephoto Lens. If you need a gadget that will enable you to capture HD images and videos while enjoying outdoor adventures, you need to consider this telescope lens. The telescope enables you to have HD vision with your smartphone at all times. It magnifies far objects so you can be able to take images if need be. This is a versatile lens that you can use as a phone telescope lens or use individually as a monocular lens for viewing birds and other outdoor features. This telescope lens has a shooting range of 50 to 200 meters and has a rotating focal ring that ensures you set the optical lens to the right angle for better viewing. At number 1. Apexel Phone Telephoto Lens Universal 18x Monocular Telescope. You will not struggle when fixing this telescope lens to your phone since it comes with a clamp for equipping it to your smartphone. The telescope allows versatility either for watching birds or taking images of further objects and animals. It is light and compact to make sure you are comfortable when using it with your smartphone. The best part is the telescope lens is compatible with most smartphone brands, from Samsung to Apple. This telescope's lenses feature 7 layers of premium optical glasses that guarantee perfect vision without any blurriness. It has a magnifying power of x18, and the quality of this telescope is backed up with a warranty. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.